In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blur effect to your videos using CapCut. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can easily and effectively blur parts of any video you wish to edit. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up CapCut on your device. Once the app is launched, go ahead and tap on New Project. Here you'll be prompted to select the video you want to edit. Simply browse through your media files and choose the video clip that you wish to work on. This initial step sets the foundation for your editing process. Once your video is imported into CapCut, you'll see it displayed in the timeline. To start editing, tap on the video clip itself. This action will bring up a variety of editing tools that CapCut has to offer, providing you with numerous possibilities to enhance your video. Now, let's move on to adding the blur effect. Look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll see a menu. Here you'll need to select the Effects option. This will display a range of effects you can apply to your video. For today's task, you'll be heading to the Basic Effects category and selecting Blur. Keep in mind that when you first apply this effect, it will cover the entire video by default. But don't worry, we'll adjust that next. To refine where the blur effect is applied, you'll need to use the Mask tool. Tap on the blur effect in the timeline, which will then give you an option to select Mask. Here you can choose the shape that best fits the area you want to blur, whether that's a rectangle, circle, or any other shape. Once you've selected a shape, you can then resize and reposition the mask to precisely cover the area you want blurred within your video. This step is crucial for customizing the effect so that it focuses only on the desired section. To make your blur effect look as seamless as possible, take advantage of the feathering and edge adjustment options. Feathering smooths out the edges of the mask, ensuring that the blur transitions smoothly without any harsh lines. Spend a bit of time adjusting this to get a more natural look. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your video looks, it's time to save your work. Tap on the Export button, which is represented by an arrow pointing up. This will save your beautifully edited blurred video to your device. This final step ensures that your work is not just saved within CapCut, but also exported as a file you can easily share or upload elsewhere. And there you have it, a perfectly blurred video ready to impress. Thank you for watching and happy editing with CapCut.